vlog! Today's video guys is magluluto tayo ng adobong kangkong with pritong bean curd. Let's see! Hi everyone! Welcome once again to my vlog. So ayan, magluluto tayo ng adobong kangkong. Libre from Farida. Binili niya doon sa Chinese store. So naisipan niyang maglibre sa akin today guys. Yan, let's season our adobong kangkong with some spices, salt, soy sauce, and what's that? Paminta or black pepper. Yon, then halu-haluin natin, stir it, and simmer for few minutes for the kangkong to be cooked. Yan, sarap yan guys kasi libre nga. Buti lang naisipan ni Farida maglibre sa akin today. Yung kangkong and tofu. Yun, so naprito na natin yung ating bean curd guys. So chop natin into cubes, into square para madaling kainin, mas maliit. And then gumawa ako dyan guys ng sausawan. My sauce is chopped garlic and onions with some lemons or suka and some soy sauce. So yan yung sauce ng pritong bean curd. Ang sarap niya talaga guys. Kahit wala akong ulam na karne. Basta meron yan, oh. Sarap yung sausawan ganun. Then, gusto mo nang medyo maanghang, lagyan ng konting sili. Yan. So, ayan. Na-chop na natin, guys. Now, our kangkong is soon to be ready. Yan. Malapit na siyang maluto. Patuyuin lang natin ng konti. Yan. So, nilagay sa tissue para ma-absorb ang oil na pinamprito doon sa bean curd. Ready na guys! Yun! Sarap naman ng tanghalian ni LALA'S Mix Vlog! Yummy, yummy! So, this is my lunch now guys. This is pritong tilapia, adobong kangkong, and then this one is bean curd with sauce, lemon, and then chopped garlic and onion with soy sauce. Time to eat! Now, in the kitchen, my food is ready.